Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Twitter account in today's video. Before jumping right in, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Twitter is an American microblogging and social networking service on which users can post and interact with messages known as tweets. Make sure you've downloaded the Twitter application from your Play Store or your App Store and simply tap Open Twitter from the app list. To create an account, tap on Creating an Account. Enter your name first and next enter your phone number or email address. Next enter your date of birth. After setting your date of birth, tap on the Next button. Tap on the Next button again, and after you're done on the next page, tap on the Sign Up button now. To the email you just entered, a verification code will be sent. Go to your email and check the code, type in the code sent to you. In case you don't receive the code, tap on Didn't receive an email and a code will be sent to you again. Tap on the Next button after entering the code, and next you'll need to set a password for your account. Make sure it is 8 characters or more. After entering the password, tap on the Next button. Now pick a profile picture for your Twitter, choose an existing photo or take a picture and upload it, or simply skip the step for now. You can describe yourself. Pick a bio for yourself. To synchronize the contacts by tapping on Sync Contacts, or you can do it later on Search for Interest. If you want to, by directly typing on the box, or you can select from the menu displayed and tap on the Next button, or skip the step by tapping on a Skip for now. You might be interested in some famous Twitter profiles. Simply tap on the Follow button to follow them, and after you're done, tap on the Follow button again, and there you go, you've created yourself a new Twitter account. To create your first tweet, simply tap on the blue icon which has a small plus in it at the bottom right, type in a tweet for yourself. After you're done, simply tap on a tweet on the upper right, and that is how you can share a new tweet for yourself. I hope you found the video useful. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll see you soon again with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.